flying in this blue bus is coming in,
well, wait till we pass the
ruining the view. Where are the F-15s? There they are. These things are really wasting runway. Here comes the next one, I think.
And here comes Dan McHugh from the left again, another great pass. Nicknamed the Whistling Jet by the Japanese because of the sound of the air flowing through the wing mount of the oil coolers. Did you know that Corsairs down 140 enemy planes and those open on all right.
That's where you visit.
Wait, that lands in a shot distance.
Hello, I'm Gary Smith. As you make the rounds of today's air show, I encourage
You didn't know you were there.
So cool.
Yeah, but there's still a ton of them. It's not just that one. We do have a good view from the car. Coast Sky Typers.
They need more landing field than the
C-17.
He's going pretty fast, Dave.
God, yeah. That guy's...
How come it tips some?
I don't know. These are old.
They are?
Yeah, they're from World War II. And then here comes the last one.
Nope, there's one more after it.
Oh, I didn't know there was one right here. This guy's coming in high.
How many can they fit in it? 2?
I see the C5 Galaxy. It's taxiing.
where?
It's way out there. It looks like a building.
Where'd they at?
Way out there. Way, way out there. This guy's actually going to touch down.
Not that loud, Birdie.
Oh, does that take off at a short distance?
I know. Things like off and up.
That take off in a short distance. Whoa. Is that something, huh?
That's a different. Is that because it went so fast? Take out your headphones.
That lift.
Brody, it's all right, honey. He keeps them in no matter what. Not loud.
I know.
Now, did you say this is going to do something? It's turning. I gotta get this. Can you please grab that? I need to get this.
God.
Brody took off at probably 500 feet.
I know. And now it's going to turn around and do flyovers like the F-18s did.
It's very quiet.
I know it is. God. It's really quiet. And here it goes, coming around.
I see it.
It's going to be kind of cool though. I've never seen something this big fly so low over a runway. Here it comes. I know, here it comes.
Boy, no! Come on!
What?
I wasn't filming any.
It didn't film anything?
I looked at the timer.
Whatever, at least you're gonna get to see it fly over, and look how low this thing is gonna come. This thing's coming right over.
I think it's caught.
Oh my god.
Is it coming this way?
Jeez.
Definitely gonna need headphones.
This is gonna be about as loud as a 747, I'd say.
What?
Here it comes. High pass.
This is so awesome.
Well, it's gonna come around and keep doing it. It's gonna be like an F8, the F-18s we saw. Only this one isn't loud enough.
That's a C-17. They say they can land here, but I've never seen one land here before.
I've seen them land here. There's
Really?
one surprise.
Really? I know B-52 can't land here. That's one thing I can't.
This one looks like it's gonna come extremely low.
Brother.
I think the 15's going after this guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here it comes.
This guy's gear out. The maximum power has more speed over it.
Yeah.
That thing is slow. How slow is this thing? Come on back.
Yeah.
I wish this thing would do a low, really low pass. I think this thing might come right over us, because, oh, it can't turn that fast. It's crazy big. Must be going out to land. It's going really far out.
Wow,
I think it's going to land because it put the landing gear down and it's going really far out.
I got 6 minutes and 30 seconds of that thing. That's not.
I got 8 minutes 32.
It's because I didn't take. It's because I forgot to. I forgot you had to press the button twice to get it to work. And to get it to Start taping.
Sure that thing goes, but it doesn't sit
Oh,
Look at behind us.
You got 15 videos of the air show. 2 of them you can't really see.
Right in a line. There's
Grandpa, let's start walking back to the car because it's going to land further down on the runway.
You think so?
Yep.
Yeah, let's start walking back.
See the planes coming in?
That's a true story.
I think those are the planes for the Tora show.
Yeah, it is.
Those are Geico Sky Type.
Okay, then that.
Here he comes. He's landed.
Righty, where'd they go?
They probably went into a cloud. Oh, here he comes. Jeez, that's a dangerous landing. He's coming in to land. That's a dangerous landing, though. He turns right at the end of the runway just so he can come and land. God. This is going to be crazy. And then right in the background, there's a tiny little plane going into Bradley Airport. Whoa. There he goes. That was awesome.
Liam, this is yours.
They're the
something. They're coming in. They're in formation. It's quite. If you wait a minute, you can hear them. Just hang on a minute.
runway really low.
What happened?
They took off.
Oh, I didn't think.
Oh, now they're up.
Well, they took a long time to get up.
Actually, they were up way before. They just stayed on the they stayed close to the ground for the show.
They sure don't take long to get up in the air, I'll tell you.
Wow, they climb right straight up.
Yeah.
I know. Now they're both doing backflips.
Fine, we'll leave it.
David, do I have a figure like this girl?
Yeah.
Huh?
That's about